Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Audi Q3 tire pressure monitoring system. First, make sure all your tires are properly inflated to the recommended pressure when they are cold. Next, turn your ignition on, but do not start the engine. You will then need to access your vehicle's MMI system or the instrument cluster display to begin the reset process. This initial step is crucial for an accurate calibration. Once your ignition is on, use the MMI controller or steering wheel buttons to navigate to the car menu. From there, scroll down and select Tire Pressure Monitoring. This will bring up the current status of your tire pressures. It's important to visually confirm that the system is reading the pressures, even if they appear incorrect at this stage. This ensures you are in the right place to proceed with the reset. Within the Tire Pressure Monitoring menu, you will find an option to store tire pressures or simply reset. Select this option to tell the system that the current pressures are the new correct baseline. Confirm your selection when prompted. After confirming, drive your Audi Q3 for a few minutes, typically at speeds above 15 miles per hour, to allow the system to fully recalibrate and learn the new values. The warning light should then turn off. If the warning light persists after driving, double-check your tire pressures again. A continuous warning might signal a faulty sensor or a slow leak that needs professional attention. Remember, regular tire maintenance is key for safety and fuel efficiency. Also, for ultimate comfort and durability, check out the link in the description for darn tough socks and other great deals. They come with a lifetime warranty, so you'll never need another pair. Keep your Audi running smoothly and your feet happy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.